Nobody wants to pay for a service call if they don't have to. So if you're having furnace or air conditioning issues, here are things to check before you call. Start with your thermostat. Is the setting above or below the room temperature? So the system gets the call to turn on. Next, let's go to the breaker for your furnace and air conditioner and see if it's tripped. Flip the breaker off, then flip it back on, recycling the power like you would when you reboot a computer. If the unit still doesn't come on, check your air filter.
We're gonna shut the furnace off, right? Because you can't do it with the furnace on.
Furnaces and air conditioners are all about airflow, and if that filter is dirty and restricting airflow, it could cause problems, even system failure.
It's pretty good.
So this filter's great, but the unit still won't come on. Time to call for service? Well, maybe, maybe not. What if I told you your furnace might be able to tell you what the problem is? Is that sacred cow or is that bull? Yep, newer furnaces have built-in diagnostics. If the furnace detects a problem, you'll see a light like this one blinking in short and long bursts. Those bursts indicate a code that's detailed on a sheet located on the back of the door of the furnace. Each code indicates a different potential malfunction.
There's some more diagnostics down in this area. Sometimes they light up. There you go, a little green.
See if it's something you feel confident tackling. If not, now's the time to bite the bullet and call for service. Just be sure to tell your service provider what the error code indicated. With that heads up, they can work smarter and faster. Check out our other how-tos and subscribe if you haven't already. We've got lots of ways to help save you time and money.